Let's dive into the ultimate performance mid-ranger battle. Realme Neo 7 Turbo versus the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra. Both released in 2025, both rocking the latest Dimensity 9400 series chips, and both priced to shake up the value flagship market. But which one actually gives you more for your money? Let's find out. Starting with the displays, Realme brings a 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with HDR, 120Hz refresh rate, and an insane 6,500 nits of peak brightness. It's bright, sharp, and perfect for outdoor use. OnePlus counters with a 6.83-inch AMOLED panel that refreshes at 144 Hz and supports Dolby Vision, HDR Vivid, and super high-frequency PWM dimming to reduce eye strain. OnePlus feels smoother and better optimized for long use, while Realme focuses more on raw brightness. Under the hood, Realme is powered by the Dimensity 9400E, very capable, with clock speeds up to 3.4 GHz, paired with up to 16 GB RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. OnePlus, on the other hand, flexes the upgraded Dimensity 9400 Plus chip with even higher clock speeds, making it a better choice for gaming and multitasking. If you're after pure power, OnePlus takes the lead. In terms of cameras, both offer a 50MP main lens and an 8MP ultrawide. Realme adds a color spectrum sensor and OIS for steady video, while OnePlus refines image quality further with better tuning and a slightly larger sensor. For selfies, both rock 16MP cameras with good stabilization, but OnePlus again offers better dynamic range and low-light performance. Battery life? Realme wins big here with a 7,200 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, backed by 100W fast charging. It gets you to 50% in under 20 minutes. OnePlus isn't far behind with a 6,700 mAh battery, same 100W charging, but also adds bypass charging and reverse wire charging. Realme wins in capacity, but OnePlus brings smarter features. When it comes to build and durability, Realme is surprisingly rugged with IP68/IP69 certification, great for water and dust resistance. OnePlus offers IP65, which is still solid, and its design is slimmer and lighter. Both drop the headphone jack and include stereo speakers. Software-wise, both run Android 15. Realme UI 6 is fast and clean, but ColorOS 15 on OnePlus feels more refined, with smoother transitions and deeper customization. If you want the better long-term experience, OnePlus pulls ahead. So, which one should you buy? If battery life, brightness, and ruggedness are your priorities, go for the Realme Neo 7 Turbo. But if you want stronger performance, better display features, smarter software, and sleeker design, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is the winner.